Ready to turn your first home dreams into reality? If you're feeling overwhelmed by the process and unsure where to start, let's change that. As a special thank you for sharing your details with us, we're offering you an exclusive 15-minute, obligation-free consultation with our first home buyer specialist, Amit Singh. During this session, Amit, our first home buyer specialist, will show you how to fast-track the purchase of your dream home with the minimum deposit and in the shortest possible timeframe. Don't risk your dream home by trying to do it alone. Think about it. Would you attempt to fix a bathroom leak or repair a door lock without a professional? Most people wouldn't, because they know the importance of expert help, even for simple things like fixing a bathroom leak or repairing a door lock. Your dream home is one of the biggest investments of your life, and it's not something to gamble with. You need a trusted professional who understands the process inside and out. That's where Amit, our first home buyer specialist, comes in. Having helped thousands of first-time home buyers, Amit is here to guide you every step of the way. But don't just take our word for it. Check out our hundreds of 5-star reviews on Google. Click the link below or scan the QR code to book your free meeting with Amit now. Let's make your dream home a reality.